Matulewicz and Lazowski returned to Poland together over 50 years later, and people still didn't know what they'd done. Suspicion eventually fell on Lazowski, and he was only saved by a ruthless Nazi. Suspicion eventually fell on Lazowski, and he was only saved by a ruthless Nazi. Lazowski distracted the Germans from discovering his secret by throwing a party. Lazowski was left to defy the Nazis alone after Matulewicz fled Poland. The doctors were meticulous in avoiding detection. The operation was so secretive, even their patients didn't know. The Nazis were terrified of Typhus, and these doctors played that fear against them. He had figured out how to create a false positive blood sample with a harmless bacteria. When Matulewicz performed the initial injection, he had no idea how it would turn out.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.